Alright, I'm making my Amazon special mix, whatever it's called. I don't like fillers. I did get some filbert nuts that I cracked in half. There's pecans in here. A little bit of coconut flakes. Some of the Zoo Prime pellets. And banana chips. And I will be adding some more items in here. There's also Spanish raw peanuts. My bird is pretty much 40 years old. And I just like to spoil her. But most of all, I do not like fillers. And birds like to crack seed. Large hookbills anyway. So therefore, I prefer, I'm making my own because I refuse to pay an arm and a leg for a good seed mix. Have a good day. Bye.